Hey guys, good morning, welcome to another live session of Stocksnipertrading. My name is Dave, guys, my partner is Ron. Let's get down to business here, guys.
In on US 30, sell, okay? I'm jumping in. Guys, that's a 100 pip drop. Yes, we caught it. Hey, guys, 200 pips, please, secure.
Trading with a perfect broker is the key, which takes you one step ahead. At AAAFx, we have you covered. The future of Forex is zero commission. Here at AAAFx, we offer ultra-low commission, which starts at 99 cents per lot. Our account's spreads start from 0.0 pips. With account leverage up to 500x, and can have a minimum deposit of $100, with an additional 100% deposit bonus, regulated by HEMC Greece, compliant with ESMA. EU, regulated with FSCA, South Africa. Nothing to lose, but something to gain. Trade with the world's most liquid market provider, AAAFx, recommended by Stocksnipertrading. To get started, use the affiliate link below.
As a trader, we all look for tight or low spreads, which helps us to get in and out of the market. Using the right broker can help us try different strategies. With multiple options of brokers on the web, here at Stocksnipertrading, we have a recommended broker, that is, HankoTrade. With spreads as low as 0 pips and leverage up to 500x, HankoTrade is just one click away. With multiple account types to choose from, you also have a minimum deposit of $10. Using HankoTrade's affiliate program, refer a friend and earn up to a 40% commission on trading volume. Built by traders, for traders. HankoTrade.
Hey guys, what's going on, snipers? Good morning, welcome to another live session with Stocksnipertrading. My name is Dave, guys, my partner is Ron. Just wanted to say right off the bat, guys, straight up, we hit 50,000 subscribers on YouTube. Huge thank you to everyone who has supported us from day one. I remember getting excited when we had 15 people just joining the lives, and for us to hit over 50,000, it's a milestone for us, all organic, no advertising, no nothing, just consistent hard work, and every single morning, coming live for you guys. All right, so I wanted to say thank you so much for everyone just constantly tuning in. It's so appreciative, and I'm very excited to continue to road to 100,000 for that YouTube plaque, and we are going to hopefully have some greater moments than we did last year leading into the next few months. All right, so guys, with that being said, you can see right off the bat here we have Forex Factor. We're going to touch upon this in a couple seconds. In the description box, guys, AAAFx and HankoTrade are our recommended brokers. All right, you can see in the description box there's 2 links there. Make sure to check them out. If they make sense based on where you're at in the world and you like what they have to offer, please fund and then go based on that. All right, if you're looking for a liquidity platform, I have Bookmap, the depth of market here. All right, we trade live liquidity with Bookmap in our private Zoom room. Okay, currently right now, give it about 2 weeks and I'll have everything live on YouTube as well. We'll have the chart, and then we'll obviously have Bookmap beside it so you can see how we trade by using this liquidity platform. Okay, and then lastly, guys, our recommended prop firm is My Forex Funds. They have one of the best reputations in the industry, and Stocksnipertrading will give you 5% off. Okay, so guys, with that being said, you can see right off the bat here, this is Forex Factory. We do have 8:30 news, okay, and then 10 a.m. pending home sale. So we'll go over that in a little bit. But guys, last thing, we're not financial advisors, okay? We're just here to provide free technical and fundamental analysis. Any trades taken upon yourself, as stated in the disclaimer at the beginning of the stream. Like I said, we're not advisors, so try not to risk large, okay? Use small lot sizes. Our goal is, 0.2, 0.5, 1%. Obviously per day, if that can happen, that'd be fantastic. But anything over solid percentage that you didn't have before is a good opportunity for continuation. All right, so guys, current time, like I said, just 3 minutes since we've started. I'm going to head over to this chart here. All right, and you can see what we currently have on the Dow. I'm going to go to the dollar index. You know, we always start based on that. Here's the DXY. Okay, so I have 105,400, 104,700. All right, I'm going to keep those on just because we've already been here before. All right, if we go bullish, 105.7, and I might actually keep that on there just in case we go bearish here, 104.2. All right. So whole numbers. Okay, we do also have 104,800 to the left. You can see it's coming at structure. I like 104.7 simply because of the consolidative move before the continuation. Okay, and then ever since then, guys, 105.2. We broke above 105.3 here, right at this little area at around 145, and then we have not made a nice high since. It's been constantly selling up, making some lows. All right, so let's just quickly edit this crosshair. So we can all be on the same page. Okay, so let's go take a peek at the 5 minute, and this is what we have, guys. Nice resistance here and nice support. We are in a consolidative structure. Quickly just edit that for you. All right, so we'll make our support and resistance. Let's edit that real quick so you can see it on white. All right, resistance to the left, and we're looking for a breakout here, guys. All right, so if we go ahead bearish, we have some nice 104.9. Okay, 104.900. You can see it's a nice consolidative structure, so we'll add that in there. Okay, and if we do break down, that'll be our first target, and then if we do continue, 104.7. So we'll add an alarm right here. Okay, and then we'll add one more alarm at 105.25. Okay, so we got bearish target here, and there's going to be buyers waiting. Bullish target sellers waiting. You can see from previous level structure. Okay, and then we're good for now for the DXY. All right, you guys understand 105.250, 104.900. All right, and you can see here those are our alarms. If we do break down, we do have some key levels set, so we can continue to head forward and look at our gold. Okay, so let's flip down here. All right, dollar index looks pretty bullish. You can see all instruments looking quite bearish here. Look at gold, guys. Gold in the 5 minute, you can see here from 1814, okay, all the way down to 1807. So a 7 pip range. You can see it's just heavy consolidation. All right. So let's go to the daily here, take a look at gold. Guys, look at this nice bearish momentum here. If we get continuing, all right, I can see gold getting back down to at least 1800. We are at 1811 right now. So we're going to mark up that psychological 1800 as our daily support. Okay, pretty straightforward. You guys are with me on that. And then to the left, all right, I'm going to use that previous level here, around 1822. Okay, so daily resistance. Okay, so you can see the range that we're in. All right, guys, from the big momentum we have, okay, at some point we're going to get some kind of a pullback. You can see the type of candle that is currently forming on the daily. All right, two long wicks, very indecision. All right, so let's go take a peek at the 4 hour. All right, we are in our consolidation here too. I'm going to go 18, 22.5 for that daily. Okay, and my 4 hour, we can start to get to 1807.5. So I have some 4 hour support. I did do what's my favorite. I would say Nasdaq or gold, one of the two. Okay, you can see nice resistance here, nice price consolidation around 1814. And that's going to be our 4 hour resistance. Guys, I'm excited for gold here. It's nice consolidation. It's going to lead to a nice big breakout at some point. All right. We do have our levels ready to go. Okay. I'm not going to do too much charting. All right. You guys feel me on this. It's not something that needs to be done, especially if we're in a range. Okay. 1810.5. That's going to be our 1 hour support. Okay, and my 4 hours is going to act as my hour. Then I'm going to drop down to the 15, and you can see what we're in. Okay, horrible range. Well, it's not horrible. You can scalp in and out of it if you're looking on the 5 minute and you have good spreads. Okay. So let's take a peek at the hourly here. And we're looking at our 15 minute just coming in. So 15 minute resistance candle. Okay. And then we'll take a look at our 5. Okay. All right, guys, so if we do break down here, you can see that's a nice 2-bar play. Okay, if we break below 1810, we can probably come back down to our 1807, no problem. This range, though, is, not something I really want to be a part of. If you guys are understanding with me and you guys have been focused on what we've been doing in previous streams, you can see it's much rather beneficial to leave something like this alone, wait for a bigger move to happen. We do have 8:30 news. Okay, so that's going to be very important for the movement of probably all current instruments. All right, and that's in about, I would say, less than an hour. Okay, so let's watch and see gold, see if we can top maybe 1814. Okay, if we do get rejected at the 15 minute, price can start to shoot back down. Like I said, get to that 1807. So we'll hit some alarms right here. And now we're pretty safe on gold just in case it makes a move in either direction. Okay. So look at Nasdaq and US 30. Okay, big move on Nasdaq. All right. Let's take a look. US 30 getting primed up. Take a look at 329. Okay, so watch this key level here, guys. All right, you can see we broke level structure. Okay, nice high. You can see holding nice support level here. All right, this is a nice little opportunity. It was a previous level sell to the left. You can see if we take a peek here on the 15 minute. All right, price broke. Let me just make this a little bit smaller for you. Okay, price broke. You can see we retested the level and then price started to sell off. All right, so it's important for us to watch this area right here. If we do break down, okay, price can get down to probably 32850, okay, before making its next move. if we do hold here, okay, we're going to start to press towards, I would say, 33,100 before a basic sell-off. All right, or if the bulls come in and liquidity is pumping and momentum is strong, then we might be able to get into our continued option, which is possibly selling if we make highs. All right. So we know that that's higher time frame. This is going to be a key level. So add an alarm here. And we'll take a peek at everything else. Okay. And look at gold. Just heavy range. All right. And we'll take a peek at this news coming in. Guys, just to let you know, okay, Stocksnipertrading.com, we're doing a boot camp, okay, March 7th, 8th, and 9th, all right? It's on our website. You can take a peek here, okay, 3-month subscription plus the free intro to Forex. So this is for everyone who's still beginning in FX and you want some history on it, some basic knowledge that will really help get you started. There's a lot of people who I think could benefit from this, so just click it, then you can browse through obviously what has options, okay, and then you can choose whichever one you'd like to do. All right, so that'll be March 7th, 8th, and 9th. I'll show you guys a little bit beforehand. All right, a little bit more information about this. Okay, so let me just show you real quick. We have this durable goods coming in at 8:30. All right, and so why traders care? Leading indicator of production, rising purchase orders signal the manufacturers to increase activity as they work to fill the orders. Okay, Alex should be under your membership dashboard. Okay, and if you're a little bit confused, just send us an email. Okay, we'll do our best to help you out. Okay, so there's no stories here, guys. All right, you can see, but the last January 26 forecast was negative 0.1. Okay, so the next release will be March 24th. All right, so core durable goods, and then you can see durable goods here, very similar to the core durable goods aspect. Same kind of why traders care. All right, so nothing, no current stories on it. All right, so maybe check out Financial Juice. You can check out maybe Bloomberg if you have the terminal, and see how these two folders are going to affect what we're currently looking at on the charts. All right, so you can see nice resistance coming in. All right, the Dow is still holding. Everything is ranging, guys. Everything is ranging here. You can see nice flag pattern looking on NASDAQ. You can see the dollar index is still just consolidating. All right, nothing breaking out. No moves really. We're looking pretty solid from 105.118 to 105.035. Guys, did everyone have a good weekend? Did you guys get up to anything, any special events or anything out of the usual? I watched a ton of not March Madness, but college basketball. I saw Michigan hit a buzzer beater. I saw Arizona State beat Arizona. It was crazy to watch, guys. I'm not too sure if there's many basketball fans, all right, but this weekend was a big one for the books. Guys, the giveaway will be done on Friday. Okay, so we're gonna repetitively post it all week. And you guys can just update it based on that, and then just keep your notifications on for Friday when we will make the announcement. Formula One, I watched a little bit of it. Yeah. Lakers Mavs, that would be a good one to go to, guys. Luka and Kyrie are just unbelievable. Okay, so you can see here, still just ranging. We got about 5 seconds, guys. This is going to be leading into the last 10 minutes of the hourly. Wemby, David, did you see him get dunked on? Posterized by the big, I forget what his background is. Okay, so nice resistance, guys. So everything is still holding here. Got one more nasty level. And guys, just Emmanuel, when I started to make the equal amount of percent to get rid of the salary. You're in college and Steve Kerr is playing. That's amazing. I would have loved to see him, man, in his prime. One of the most deadly shooters out there. Okay, so this is a critical level NASDAQ sell. Okay. In previous structure. Okay, so let's take a look at this. That's 12039. And if we look to the left, guys, big bearish momentum here. Let's look at the hourly. Okay, very similar. Nice big dip off, support, now acting as resistance. Okay, big sell off happened once. And again, so we are at that critical level here. Okay. Just see how this is going to move before our new hourly coming in. Okay, guys, let's see about this 1811 here. If we break down here, guys, it's looking like a nice volume. You see the volume stepping in? Okay. Let's see if we can get maybe down to 1807. Gold wants to continue. So break. Something like that. Okay. Watch your spreads on gold, guys. Okay, 1811 down to 1807. Let's see if it's going to follow suit. If you guys are taking gold sells here, use a smaller lot size. Okay, remember, we have news coming in at 8:30. We're in a steady range. Okay, we're in a very steady range. All right, and we're coming to our new hourly switchover. Okay. So 18.11 was the next hold number. Okay, and you can see that it's got to get past 18.10.5. Let's just be careful and watch and see how this is going to react. We got about under a minute left, guys. And watch your spreads coming in. Look at the Dow here. Ethan, yeah, I did take it. Okay, just small feeler lots right before leading into that news. Guys, and I just wanted to say cheers. Here's my first cup of coffee today. I was at the gym at 4:30 in the morning. All right, did anyone else hit up the gym this morning here? Look at the Dow. We break this here. Okay. Price can start to fall. If we start to hold, we can start to walk. All right. Watch the TPs coming in. So the Dow Jones is just starting to break down here. Let's see. And this is right before, last 5 minutes, guys, before the hourly. So let's watch and see how this is going to move. Did anyone hit up the gym this morning? Or yes, was everybody busy trading London? Nope. All right. Seemed like everyone was trading London. There goes the Dow, guys. Let's see. Toro going after any session. Oosh, yes I am. A gold trade, small lot size, feeling the market out currently. Frick, what's my favorite gym split? I do shoulders and arms. Okay, that's my, I guess you could say they're my strong points. And then I focus on just doing 4-day split. So legs, shoulders, arms, back and biceps, and then chest and triceps. So let's see here. Dow is still selling off, guys. Let's see if we can get that momentum. Let's see NASDAQ too. NASDAQ just dropped hard, guys. All right, from 1, 2, 3. Watch the support level. We need to break past here. Okay, look at the Dow starting to whip down, hold support. Look at gold just starting to test. If you guys are in any gold sells, have your stop loss, maybe 18.12 above here, maybe even 18.13, 18.14. Okay. Let's go take a look at everything else. Look at oil, guys. I don't really have anything for oil today, so we might leave it alone for right now. You can see the German 30 is starting to move. Sorry, guys. DAX starting to move here. Big opportunities coming on the DAX. Let's take a look at a key level here, support or resistance. so watch DAX. So 15416. Okay, monitor this. Everything is dropping, guys. Okay, gold is still holding. Look at DAX. And Dow here, very similar. NASDAQ is looking pretty tasty. Let's watch and see up that 12017. Then look at the DXY, guys. All right, we're right at the highs. Again, testing the previous resistance. Okay, and you can see here now, nice resistance coming back down, possibly coming back and testing that 105.050. And let's see where everything is at now on the scanner. We'll take a look at our moving averages. And I wanted to give it a little bit of time. Okay, and you can see just 8 seconds, new hourly coming in. All right, just in a ton of consolidation here, and we're about to break out of it, guys, coming in from the overall new hourly. Okay, leading into that 8:30 news. Okay, so if you're not in anything, guys, let's take a look at what the scanner is saying here, just to take a peek where everything is. And you can see we're just ranging right now, guys. Okay, so gold is midpoint 50 line. Okay, NASDAQ, the Dow, everything is pretty much midway through on the RSI here. Nothing overbought or oversold. They would have showed nice conditions. All right. And so we'll just close that off. We'll take a look at now the moving averages. Okay, so we're right around the 200. All right. You can see here nice resistance on the dollar index. So that should mean possibly gold is going bullish. Okay, if we're starting to sell off on the DXY. Let's take a peek here. You can see we're just hovering around that 50 line in the RSI. Okay. Let's take a peek at everything else here. You can see what's happening on NASDAQ. Okay, nice support level starting to hold. Okay, you can see two bottom wicks here. New hourly's changing up structure. So watch price to get back down to that 200 EMA for a next level decision. Okay, you can see that the Dow is still holding. All right, nothing breaking down here. It's still holding key level support. So watch this key level up here. We got that 32960. Take a peek here. Okay, so you can see nice holding of support. New hourly changed up everything here. All right, you see we're coming to test up again on that supply. And you can see Goldie just mid-range. Ooh, guys, this is not where you want to be on gold. Okay, so no wonder. You can see, no wonder we're getting some head fake movement here. Take a peek. Look at the range we're in on the DXY comparing to gold. You know, you want to stay away from stuff like this, all right? You really do, especially when the moving averages are like this. You don't want to be messing around, all right? This is just head fake consolidation waiting to get you trapped, all right? So now we've seen everything moving. Nothing's closing below 1811. and see the range we're currently still in. All right. Okay, so here we go, just a minute, guys. Okay, I see some comments coming in here. Oh, that's not me. Oh, no. Why are you worried about the mics? Guys, I like my mic. I've been trading with this mic. Everyone, there are always new members, new people come in here, they complain. I've been trading with this thing since I started. It's like a good luck mic. You know, when you see the setup coming in less than a month and a half, then you'll be like, okay, I get it. But right now, guys, I still got to rock my mic. I did order another one. I can't wait to show you what the setup's going to be like. I don't know, members, of you guys seen Ron the big boom mic, SST logo style. Okay, Bookmap is now up, guys, ready to go. And you can see here, big volume stepping in, guys. Nothing closing below 1811, just tapping here. Still holding nice volume. Boom, look at that. Okay, so still holding, nothing closing below 1811, still coming near that 15-minute. Okay, and we're coming into our last few minutes of that first 10-minute candle, and you can see it's still in the range, nothing closing below, still holding strong. And we're probably going to push to about 1812. Boom, big break. Okay, so still holding, nice volume, nothing closing below. All right, so we're now testing 1812.2, the high of the range. Okay, if we break out of here, guys, watch and see it coming to our 1813. All right. Okay, got some oil coming in here. Remember, it's got some updated levels here for you. I'm going to send 4 key points to mark on your charts. That gold opportunity that was sent to Discord, watch that at 8:30. Okay. 4 levels coming your way, guys. Okay, keep those just for the next little bit. All right, watch for 8:30. All right, 8:30 is big time coming in. You can see big movements still in that range. Ask the question. We're here. Okay, so nice support here, hold. Big Dow move. Let's check with that DXY. Big resistance coming in. Okay. Thanks, Georgie. Appreciate that, my man. You name one other group that actually recaps any of their signals, and I will give you $100. I give you it straight up. You can find me one group that does it. It's going to range until probably 8:30, guys. Look at NASDAQ here. Oof, big rejection on gold. Michael, search, baby. Search. All right. So here's coming to, guys, this is 8:15, okay, for the new people still tuning in. All right. Just remember one thing here. Okay. We have news today. Usually Mondays we don't have this type of news. All right. 8:30. Durable goods, pending home sales, 10 a.m. Pending home sales. So from 8:30, guys, all the way to 9:30, we're going to have news leading into New York Open. Okay. From 9:30 until 10, we're going to follow suit, and then we have that 10 a.m. news. All right. So just keep this in mind. I'm just showing, repeating, because we have people dropping in every 5 minutes. All right. So still holding here, nothing breaking down. Price is still very strong. Okay, this is heavy, heavy, heavy consolidation. Guys, I watched an interesting documentary. Did anyone see the Murdoch Mysteries on Netflix? Alex Murdoch. I don't know if you guys saw that guy. You guys look up who he is. He's like a Bernie Madoff, but insane. Watch it, guys. It's good. It's very good. Highly recommend if you're into that kind of stuff. I haven't seen the Ghost House movie, Ben. I saw it, but I haven't watched it. Sonia, yeah, you saw that too? Yeah. Yes, it's HBO one. Yep, absolutely. Okay, so still holding bullish here. NASDAQ still testing up, guys. Looks pretty bullish in my opinion for both indices. All right. And we're coming to about 2 minutes and 12 seconds for that first 15-minute candle here. Okay. What do I think of the Jake Paul fight? I actually didn't see it, to be honest with you. I did not see it. So gold's coming back down to 1811. All right. I haven't seen Cocaine Bears in. If it's good, I want to watch it. Benny, which one is trash? Which one don't you like? Oh, Inventing Anna. I've seen that one. Yeah, yeah. I have seen that one actually. Oh, the Ghost House movie? Okay, that's good trash. I love when people are so blunt and honest about it. It's shit. It's good. That's the way I want to hear it. Guys, okay, so if anyone took sells here on gold, you can see we're right back at break even. All right, you can still see the range is very strong here. So if you're not comfortable, like I thought we maybe would get a little bit more movement before 8:15 at least. All right, and it's still ranging. All right, the DXY is ranging. Why am I expecting volume at 8:30, it's because we have 8:30 news coming in. Okay, oily. Numbers. I'm just going to share these signals with you again. You have them. Okay, so you can see gold is still stuck here. 4 seconds left. That 1811 is very strong. Okay. Okay, let's go take a look at that DX. Take a look at Dow here, guys. Previous resistance still coming to that supply. All right, so you can see here bottom wicks. Every time we've bounced in this area around 32,950, you can see here we've had nice resistance, but eventually it's either going to break. We're still in that consolidation resistance, 2-level resistance here, same here, but also we found nice support coming. So you can see here it's just a range, guys. So that's why I'm waiting until 8:30 if you guys are wondering what's going on here. There goes gold. Coming back down to that hourly. Aditya, I'm following Discord. I think we might get some manipulated movement at news. As always. But again, all right. So guys, we are basically watching paint dry right now. And you can see that 1811, nice support. Okay, so if you guys closed off position, you can see that is smart because you're starting to flip a little bit bullish here. Yeah, pretty much in. I'll help water your grass. I think we'll grow it faster. Look at the Dow going bullish. NASDAQ rate bullish too. Okay, and look at the DXY, guys. This is what I want to see right here. They have one question. If you had 300 bucks, would you trade with them or would you buy a 50K funded account? That's a question that I think we should ask for the masses. Let's ask this, guys. How many people think that they can flip a $300 account to maybe 600, 700? Or should someone go through a phased test with a proper, really decent prop firm to be able to get it funded? What do you guys think? Let's just ask the consensus of the group here and see what we would do. I have a lot of people saying practice first, go fund it after. People are saying just go with a prop firm. You know, it's really your decision. You know what I mean? But let's just wait for these comments to come in here. I personally think a small account is a great way to learn. All right. Wait for your structure setups to come to you. And you can still do anything the same on a $100 account as you can do, say, a $10,000 account. Just all incremental lot sizes are the changing. Okay, so everything is starting to go bullish here. You can see that NASDAQ is printing bullish. Okay, making nice moves. The Dow's printing bullish too. Dows are rocking. Okay, Goldie rocking. Everything is going bullish, guys. Okay, and you can see here oil is starting to find some support too. Take a peek at where oil once was. All right, if you look to the left, this should be green. Okay, and you can see buyers stepping in here. Members, I'm not going to put oil on here, but you guys can see pretty much where that level is that we've sent. So you can mark that up on your charts. And when we get a level being sent there, you can watch the progress happen. Ooh. Guys, dump this, come on. I want to see them break. I want to see 1807.5. Ranging day here. Look at Dow still printing. Okay. Nasdaq still printing. Volume and momentum is strong, guys. Okay. And you can see there's no fluid movement on the dollar index. This thing's waiting. You can see it's hovering at that 105.1. Okay. This is a mess. Okay. So you can see here, that's why I always say focus on 8:30. Let 8:30 pass, then look to trade. If you're not trading anywhere in this time, watch 9:30. Okay, give it 5 minutes, then look to trade. 10 a.m. same idea. Okay, if you guys are trading beforehand, okay, understand the risk that you're coming into market open with and with news. All right, two different levels. So strong and strong, and you can see Goldie is still in that range. Okay, guys, I'm gonna go quickly let my dog out right before all this news. I'm in the gold sell here. I've said this before. It's a smaller lot size. I'm gonna let it roll through news. Okay, and then we'll see how this is gonna react based on the overall outcomes. Okay. So 2 seconds, guys. I will be right back. Okay, so still here. Okay, about 2 minutes left, guys, and this is our last 5 minutes for this news time. Okay, still strong. Okay, Nasdaq and Dow, and that DXY is starting to push so far for that last minute. Okay, strength is very strong, guys, so you can see printing in. So if we don't close below there, guys, that's going to act as nice support. And we're probably going to start to flush bullish. We'll see what's going on. You can see on the hourly. Okay, take a peek. Closure above, retesting, holding strong. Look at that strength, guys. Look at that strength we have here. Okay, So if we get rejected at that 32975, then price can drop back down. But again, you can see the volume is still strong here. There's little to no shadow on the ignited candle here. All right, let's take a look at that 30-minute, because that's going to be the one we're going to watch, and you can see what's starting to happen here. Okay, volume is still very strong. We get the momentum push, guys, we can probably get back up to 33,100 if we're going to go bullish. Okay, I'm going to let news pass personally, but we'll watch and see these movements here and what's going to happen on Dow, Nasdaq, gold, everything. Okay, so here's the last 5 minutes, guys. So we'll take a peek at gold. We'll watch the Dow here too. Okay, we'll set some alarms. We have an alarm at 1810.5. No problem. We'll set an alarm here on Dow. We already have one here, nothing really tapped. And you can see Nasdaq here. We got our alarm set. Okay. Now, guys, take a peek here. Just remember, why are we talking about this? You have this 8:30 news time coming in. It's orange folder news. Okay, so you can see it's not red. Okay, so it's still impactful here. And then 8:30, so we're going to watch first 5 minutes. Then the next major event we're going to watch is 9:30 New York Open. And then we're going to watch pending home sales coming in at 10. Okay, so 3 major opportunities coming in here. And the first one starting at 8:30 in about 3 minutes and 45 seconds. We're going to sit back and watch gold. Oh, Alex on it's a red folder on FX. That's interesting. Do I think it's going to dumb zoom? We'll watch and see. You can see this nice resistance, but it's in a range. This is pretty much rolling the dice at the Zeno at this point. You can see we're right at the 50 line of the RSI. I personally would like us to get away from this, and the news is going to have this. All right. So if new, okay, guys, so pretty straightforward. If you're new, don't trade 8:30 news. Wait 5 minutes for the first candle to close. Do not over leverage if you are looking to trade. All right, we're in a range here. This is not an easy direction to kind of spot. And news, we understand that there's a lot of erratic behavior when this type of stuff happens. Okay, so be smart. It's a Monday. You don't need to go for home runs today. And there's just under 2 minutes left. And let's monitor the Dow. You can see still bullish here. And you can see Nasdaq is just getting some resistance. Guys, if you're in any of the gold sells here, okay, remember, small lot sizes if you guys are holding. If not, now is the time to close. It's right at BE. Okay, so if you're still in gold sells and you don't want to be part of this news, because gold can easily flip and go bullish. If that DXY dumps, this gold trade can go right up to 1820. All right, so now is your time to close. Sit back and watch. And we're coming to a minute right now. They've built a base here on gold. Nothing has broken down, and the range is still very strong. Okay, so 1811. Looking juicy for opportunities here. Nice support is forming. Watch your spreads. You can see Dow still holding. NASDAQ is coming right back down. All for this news time. Here's 10 seconds, guys. Could be a dud. Let's watch. Whoop. Everything impulsively dropped and popped. You can see no real news started to continue just yet. Okay, so NASDAQ held. As I can still see in the range. So this is your first 5-minute candle. You can still see it's still holding wick support. Let's go look, see what happened here. It's just okay, so core durable goods is positive. Okay, so that's over above the forecast. Let's go take a look at that. So durable goods, negative 4.5. All right, so let's go look at this dollar index real quick. You can see gold started to retrace. A little bit of indecision here. Watch and see gold coming back down. If we can get price dropping to our downtrend. Okay, everything is strong here. There goes the Dow, still holding. Okay, NASDAQ is still holding too. All right, let's go take a look at that dollar index. This is still the first 5 minutes, guys, and there's about 3 minutes left. And nothing happened so far on the index. You can see gold is flipping now. Okay, NASDAQ holding bullish. The Dow's bullish here. Nothing closed below. Strong, strong, strong. Okay, let's watch and see this momentum coming in. And you can see Goldie. Ooh, look at those wicks. Okay, so strength 1812, guys. Okay, here comes 1813. If we break above 1813, we're going, like I said, to 1820. If this thing still wants to float high, watch the positivity coming in here. The dollar index looking pretty bearish. This is still the first 5-minute candle though. Okay, a lot can happen in this next 30 seconds with the last minute. Okay, everything else bullish. There goes the dollar index there, guys. So watch gold. Look at that big drop off. Okay, right at our consolidation support. and then watch and see what's going to happen here on the continuation for the last minute. Okay, so we are starting to break. I want to see that wick test, and we're coming back down to our bearish target here. Okay guys, so here's the new candle opening up here in about 1 second. Let's watch, see the new opportunities coming in. Okay, so let's see where this moving averages are now. Okay, we're just starting to curl above. All right, so watch and see here, 1814. Let's see that RSI just starting to bounce off that 50. And everything is holding nice and bullish. Okay, so momentum is strong here. Remember we talked about holding on the hourly. Okay, so the new 30-minute candle opened up, and you can see the strength is nice and strong. Okay, so Goldie's strong too on the hourly. US oil on the 30-minute is still very strong. And then let's see NASDAQ here. Still very, very strong. Okay, so we'll drop back down to the 5. Aditya, you held through. Okay, so here we go, 1814. Right at the previous level resistance. Okay, so coming here, let's watch and see, guys, what's going to happen at 1814. Okay, so strength, guys, watch. We come here, remember we're coming to 18, roughly 20, all right? If we break through, if it gets rejected, this thing's coming right back down. I'm not in anything right now, guys, other than that small feel. Okay, there it goes, gold tapping. So strength here is very strong. All right, coming to nice momentum. Let's check out the scanner here. Everything is starting to move. The Dow is still strong. Okay, and here's coming into the last 15-minute candle. Then there's your dollar dump, guys. Okay, so watch and see. We're coming to 104.9. And everything is flying, guys. Okay, there goes gold, breaking right through here. Okay. So last 15-minute candle. I'm looking for the Dow. Watch and see that 4-hour here coming in. New candle's about to open up here. There it is. This is what I wanted to see. Okay, let's watch and see this range on gold. Okay. We break down below. That's what we're looking for on gold for me. And we're going to watch and see price coming in, tapping that 9. Okay, you can see the 30 is starting to print too. Let me see what I got here. It's still very strong, guys. Okay, so if gold doesn't get down there, don't worry, just let it go. All right, so big 2-bar play on NASDAQ too. And let's see that DXY. All right, still strong on both indices here coming in. Gold is still holding that 4-hour. All right. And we'll erase his moving averages now. All right, so you can see we're pushing above 1814, nothing closing or even getting close. So we'll leave that for a little bit later. And you can see the dirty is flying. Okay, big buying opportunities. All right, coming in. Watch the 45 time. We're coming, remember we talked about 3-3. 100 coming in, nice and strong here. And on the hourly structure, all right, you can see 3-3 100. That's the price where price previously had a key resistance. Okay, Goldie's still priming up too. Okay, there it goes, guys. Let's watch and see gold. The Dows, everything is flying here. Okay, there goes NASDAQ, big rocket, guys. All right, I'm getting ready, guys. Let's watch and see Goldie here too. All right, I'm going to look at here for a gold sell opportunity, guys. Let's watch and see if it closes below 1813. Let's watch 1813 above. Holding right there. Let it do its thing. Let's see if we can get back. Don't enter in yet. Wait till we get some more movement here. You can see the US 30 starting to get pushed. Okay, everything getting watched, guys. You can see 1813 still holding. Watch the push. Okay, follow through is still strong. If we get breaking past here, guys, 1815, I'm still going to look for 1813. No problem on me. Another resistance level here coming in. DXY is now tapped the lows. Okay. One second, guys. All right. Big pushes. Another rejection coming in. Okay, so watch and see triple resistance here. Still strong on Dow and NASDAQ. Okay, so nothing really closing below 1813, guys, so far. Give us some time here. It's still pretty strong. All right, if that's the worst case, then we're probably going to go to 1815, 1816. Again, I'm still not 100% convinced just yet, so we'll watch and see. This is the last 10 minutes for coming. Okay, guys, so gold is still bullish. Nothing closing below. All right, momentum is still strong. Bookmap is showing nice volume stepping in here. Okay, watch it, just let it go. Okay, I'm still keeping 1813, 1814 area. I'm not doing anything else. If you guys want to buy the highs, let it go. If it does buy, we just miss a trade. Okay, Dow and Nasdaq are flying, guys. Okay, guys, so let's watch and see. 12,105. Let's watch and see 12,095. Okay, so watch and see that support. We're going to watch everything else. Dow is still strong. And then Goldie's still flying high, guys. So watch 1815, even possibly 1818. If you look on the hourly, you can see strength is still very strong. Okay, 1818 is the next previous level resistance. All right, so if we get up here, that's that bottom wick. Okay, and then the resistance is coming in. So it's strong, guys, right now. So right now, not even going to mess around with any of these cells. We're going to watch and see us come to 1818 structure. I'm still going to layer in at maybe 1814, 1813 if it gets down there again. All right. If not, we're going to leave it and let it go. Okay, and everything else is flying. Dow flying, Nasdaq flying. This is news driven, guys. So remember I mentioned to you we could flip the book as soon as that news started to happen, and that's exactly what happened. The DXY started to drop. So I'm still not convinced. You can see coming back down even further, guys. Okay, so you can see big rejection at 12,120. Same with the Dow here coming 33060. Okay, Goldie, big rejection. So I said I'm not liking these opportunities here. If they do fill wicks, guys, let them do their thing. Okay, so let's watch that 4 hour here. Okay, you can see, remember we talked about that triple wick resistance. Let's watch and see this level. Okay, we start to break down here, watch price. We're going to see if it's going to hold or fold. Okay, The Dow is getting some same thing, same with NASDAQ. Okay, still holding. Okay, so still 4-hour now support, and resistance is turning into support. So we're watching. You can see momentum is still very strong. Watch. I'm going to gather that nice wick, and we're going to watch this range. Okay, if momentum is still going to keep strong, guys, I left Bookmap alone. I wanted to see it on the new hourly here. Okay, and you can still see that it's very strong. All right, based on momentum and volume. All right, they started to fill some overall swings that happened on Friday, and you can still see we're coming right back up to our 12,015. Okay, and we're going to watch and see this price level here before making our next big move. Same with the Dow. Okay, same with gold, coming in making key prices. Okay, so still holding. Both indices are at the highs. Let's take it now with the RSI scan. Okay, so you can see the Dow from 1 to 30 is overbought. All right, GU, same thing. And then NASDAQ is not showing it just yet, but it's looking pretty overbought on the 5. Okay, so watch for a short-term pullback here where some volume is still going to start to hold. We can start to make a new high. All right, I'm waiting for the new hourly to come in here. About 2 minutes left. Okay, so here we go on the Dow. Nice resistance here. You can see gold is still holding. Okay, new 9 a.m. candles coming in. Price is still showing volume very strong, guys. Okay. Nice resistance on Dow. So let's mark this in here. New candle open up. Okay, let's mark the high of the wick. If we break here, guys, like I said, we're coming to that 33,100. All right, we'll make a low here just where we've started to get a little bit of reaction coming in. And then there's the DXY coming down. Okay, so we still fall, guys. 104,800 is the next level on the dollar. And it's coming fast. So indices should be going, continuing. Both are, yeah, there we go, topping the high. Goldie's still flying. So nothing closed below just yet. Watch 1818. Okay, so still punching, guys. Okay, so watch 1818, nice and strong. Okay, there we go, guys. So you can see gold, nice rejection, 1817. So watch the pullback here. We're going to check the resistance. Okay, so if we get a break, guys, okay, watch pullback here. If we hold, okay, start to make a new high. If we start to break down, coming back to those moving averages. Same thing with Dow. This is that new 9 a.m. So you can see nice resistance coming in. Okay, so watch and see at key levels here. If we still make highs, got 33,100. Same with NASDAQ. Okay, 12,100. And you can see the range we're starting to float in right now. Okay. Okay, see gold, guys, see what I mean? So I didn't really want to buy gold right now. Okay. Okay, so back down. Let's watch the indices coming in. All right. Getting a little bit of curls here. Gold's making higher highs. Okay, let's see the new open up. And this is our first 5-minute candle in the hourly, guys. Okay, so big wick rejection. Let's watch 1814 here. If price starts to fill these wicks, we're going to 1820. All right. If we come back down, like I said, 1814 is going to be the retest, exactly how we kind of mentioned. And we're going to see the next big move coming off. So it's starting to prime up for some NASDAQ and Dows, and this is coming into market open. Okay, so watching 1814, guys. Let's see if we can get below 1814. Big price movements. All right, if we fill the wick, right back to 1820. Dollar index is finding some support. I'm seeing on my other computer. Bookmap is starting to show a lot of sellers coming in here. And you can see that 104.8 is just the price that's starting to hold right at that new hourly. Okay, very weak candle volume coming in here. And you can still see that the momentum is very strong. Okay, so me, guys, I'm probably going to wait until about 9:30, all right, which is the New York Stock Open. We'll focus on the indices based on that and then go from there. Both are priming up, so let's watch and see NASDAQ, guys. So closing low, wick, another wick. Let's watch and see the breakdown here. Let's take a look at one quick hourly candle. Here's the new. All right, so you can see what I'm showing you. All right, nice wick close here below the previous wick. If we break below here, guys, like I said, we can start to fill this. Okay, so let's watch and see. That might just be an impulsive candle right at the structure for the bullish movement. But again, if we hold here, okay, on the hourly, and we open up at 10, we can probably start to push all the way back up. But right now, price is still stagnant after that big move. Okay, so I'm watching for NASDAQ to possibly get back down in here around this area if we do break below. Okay, all right, so still holding mid-range, both NASDAQ and Dow. I still personally like gold sells, but if it does roll, guys, let it do its thing here. NASDAQ, let's see here. Okay, guys, this is priming up. Look at 811. All right, this is a pretty critical area here on NASDAQ. You can see it's starting to hold some support. Same with the Dow, is probably holding as well. Yep. Okay, so that was the first time where you can see price started to get nice support here. All right, a little bit of rejection coming in, so sellers were heavy at around 33,050. Okay, so gold is still holding here. Let it do its thing. There goes NASDAQ. Let's see. Okay, and then we still have the rocking momentum. Let's check out oil is still running. Okay, let's go to the DXY here, guys. All right, so there you go. You can see what's happening on the dollar. All right. Alex, yeah, I am. I'm down about, let's see here, 20 bucks. Feel or sell. So still holding. Everything is still rocking, guys. So here's that support, okay? Same with NASDAQ, all right? Let them do their thing here. Could be forming a nice flag pattern. Let them retest the highs, all right? And this is going to be the first 15-minute candle. All right, guys, let me go quickly look at the dog here. Sorry, let him back in, and then we'll go from there. Watch these retracements coming in. I still think we're long, probably, but we'll watch and see that 930. Goldie's not really dropping, okay? It's still holding that support at the 4 hours. So that resistance is going to probably be support. I can see us getting to 1820, 1825, all right? And you can see the volume is still very strong, looking to fill that possible wick at 1817, okay? So here we go, and there it goes right there. Okay, so let's just watch and see coming in, and there goes the dirty. Watch for the dirty to get back down to maybe 32,099. Okay, so give me a second, guys. Let me go let him in. All right, guys, so you can see here we're retesting again. NASDAQ is retesting one more time. Dollar index is just retesting that over 1049. There goes gold, still highs. Okay, so nothing really closing below on gold. Let gold do its thing here. And we've got about 10 minutes until that market opens, starting to flow. Okay, 22 seconds. Okay, and let's take a look at, there goes Goldie here, printing to 1820. Okay, nothing closing below, still strong. Okay, that means indices are probably going to look a little bullish. Let's take a look at the DAX real quick too. Okay, German 30, nice retracement back down. Watch the support of 15,416. Okay, and then there's the support holding on the 30. All right, probably same thing with NASDAQ. Yeah, still holding. Okay, so watch and see if we can get back to 12121. And this is our last 10 minutes, guys, before the New York Open. So we'll look at trading one of the indices here. You can see gold is still flipping nice. Okay. Dollar's still holding strong. Let's see if we can get past that 1049. Okay, so break, retest, look for the continuation back to 1048. Then gold is still pushing. Okay, so watch 1820 on gold. Remember we talked about the previous level resistance. Okay, support right here, 1818, and if we start to push, 1820 is the bottom, right around this candle wick structure right in here. Okay. There it goes. Okay. Strong. So we're just breaking that wick. Okay, so watch, we're coming up nice and strong. 1820. It'll be the next target, 1818 area. All right, here we go. Here's the support starting to hold. Guys, if we break above here, like I said, we're coming nice. 121, probably 200. Okay, if we can still make that continued push, the volume is strong. Take a look on the hourly. All right. 1212, top wick. If we get past the structure right here, 12160. Okay. I need this wick start to touch here on Nasdaq and both the Dow. All right, if they don't, this thing is going to, possibly retrace a little bit, but the momentum is still strong, guys. It's still very strong on both. Okay. And we got about 1 minute until our 5-minute candle right before market open. There is a strong support still holding, guys. I bet you Goldie's flying too. Right back up. There it goes. And oil is a little bit of retracement coming back down. Okay, guys, so here's the last 5-minute candle before our New York Stock Exchange. Okay. All right, what do you guys want to watch? Nasdaq or the Dow? What are you guys feeling like today? No, we'll just choose one. Doesn't really matter to me. There goes Goldie. All right. So here comes a little bit of resistance on both Nasdaq and the Dow. All right. Look at the dollar still making a double bottom so far. Okay. Okay, so here we go, guys. Just under 2 minutes. All right, I can see us making some highs on both indices before we have a short-term retracement. So let's watch and see. We got about a minute left here. Oh, sorry, about 2 minutes. All right, so take a look at the Dow. Here's a minute, guys. Let's watch and see here. All right, momentum is still very strong. Okay, so if you're new, guys, wait to trade. Use small lot sizes. Okay, wait 5-10 minutes. Right, and if you're never traded the market before, just sit back and watch this first one starting to happen. Okay, you can see we're very strong here, guys. All right, there's just under 20 seconds. I can see us tapping 33,100 for making a nice big movement, possibly to the downside. Okay, nice resistance coming in here. All right, so if we break down below, guys, this thing is going to drop into sells. Okay, if we break above, we're going to at least 33.1 and then possibly more. So here it goes. Okay, look at NASDAQ still holding. Dollar starting to curl. See if we break here, guys. I'm going to take a US 30 sell here. Let's see if we're going to close. Okay. You can see instant drop here. See here, nice momentum starting to pick up. Volume starting to hold some support. All right, nasty. You can see starting to flip here. Dow starting to push. So sit back and relax, guys. Wait for the first 5 minutes to go through. You can see nice indecision here. Let's see gold. Gold tried to drop down here, starting to make some support. All right, you can still see it's starting to hold. Okay, so still 3 minutes and 43 seconds. Watch the volume, and if you're not entering anything here, just sit back and watch the first 5 minutes. Gold is pushing down. Okay, both indices have flipped so far. You can see NASDAQ is testing. All right, they're doing the opposites. Okay, but you can still see the support is starting to be held here. Gold actually did drop. Okay, starting to get a nice little 2-bar play. And you can see the indices starting to. So how many times have they held here so far? Okay, you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, so 5, 10, 15, 20 minutes, now 30 minutes so far. It's just this gap range. Okay, so very similar to how NASDAQ is. We have consolidation right off the bat for the Dow. Okay, so still coming in for 2 minutes and 25 seconds. All right, so let's see, maybe when the new candle gets in, this could possibly drop here. Let's watch. Let's just watch and see. Same with NASDAQ. If you're not taking it, let's just monitor this accordingly. See how it's moving. Oil's dropping, guys. Let's go take a peek. Gold is flipping. You can still see. Nice big momentum. 1816 hold. Okay, there goes oil. Big drops. Okay, nasty reversed. And I want to see this dollar index. So this is still, guys, coming to the first 5-minute close. And you can see nice rejection coming in on the dollar. possibly coming back down to 104.8. And then if we break, guys, 104.7 is going to be the incremental breakdown. Okay. So nasty holding. Dow still dropping. Still holding that. What is that level? 33025. Okay, it's 20 seconds, guys. 20 seconds here. Let's see this momentum. So that's a large weighted candle. Okay, if you guys understand. Now watch the open up here. Watch the retest of the break of structure. Okay, so here's your retest, guys. If you missed it, let's watch and see the new candle open. See how it's going to retest the overall break. Okay, so they're pushing price right back in. Gold is actually retracing back down, so watch, monitor the Dow. You can see gold started to break, showed nice momentum here, but we're still along a trend on gold. Okay. So we can see nice 3 wicks here. Okay, watch 1814, 1815 level coming in. 1814 was the structure on the 4 hour. All right. So there's the retest on the 30. Okay. So see how it broke down? Impulsive first 5-minute candle of the New York Open. Here's the retest, pushing it right back in the range. Okay. So here's the cool off. If you look at the RSI, okay, cool off period right down to the 50. So if we hold here, guys, this thing could start to, make nice momentum pushes if we do not close below this general area or even 50% of this preceding bearish candlestick. So let's see NASDAQ too. Still the same. Okay. Okay, so both holding tight. Even gold, Dow is pushing right back in. Okay, let's see now Goldie still holding. Okay, so 2 minutes left, guys. This is going to lead us into our next candle. And remember, we do have, if you guys didn't do anything or you're just sitting back, remember we have news coming in at 10 a.m. Okay, this is very similar to how Friday went. Okay, this is the pending home sales. Okay, so keep that in mind. This is at 10 a.m. William, yeah, I did. Same lot size as gold. Okay, we need to break down below this supportive structure right in here if price wants to rip to the downside. Like I said, if we cool off and this is just a head fake, you can see on the hourly, let's move this now. Okay, we made it up to almost 33,100 right up here, so we'll mark that up just on the chart so we can all be aware. Okay, so here's the coming to the last 5 minutes before the last 15. Everything is starting to print, guys. So watch Bookmap here. You can see Nasdaq is dropping off. Okay. Dow is starting to drop too. See if we can get that continuation. Okay, so Nasdaq looking floating a little bit better. You can see support level holding. New candle opening up. Okay, so you can see new candle opened, started to hold support. Watch and see pushing price back in here. This is the last coming to 15-minute candle. It's still pretty strong, guys. Okay, so you can still see if we start to break above here. All right, watch this 33060. We're going to come up to at least 33,100. That was the pullback. Okay, price starting to hold, and then we're starting to make a nice bullish movement here. Gold is not following suit. You can see gold is actually breaking down. Okay, so watch gold at the 4-hour. Okay, so watch right in here. We're now in our range on gold. Okay, and look at Nasdaq here starting to press back too. So still pretty shitty market open, guys. I'd be waiting till 10 a.m. if you're going to do anything. Just personally, if you haven't entered in anything yet, remember 10 a.m. news is coming in pretty strong in about 19 minutes. Okay, gold is still holding. Okay, so nothing breaking down. Support level, break, retest. And we're still riding high on gold. Okay, everything just pushed, guys. Right back in. Look at Dow, still holding in that consolidation. Okay, cool off. Watch the break above here. 33,010. Next level if we do break the previous level wick. Okay. I would be waiting until this last couple minutes. It's going to be the last 15-minute candle, guys. All right. And you can see Nasdaq is still holding. Okay, looks like a little bit of a flag pattern here. Very similar to how we had it last week. Starting to press. So watch and see Nasdaq here. If we do break, guys, watch this support level here. Support. Okay, then the resistance. We're going to see if we're going to get a break. Goldie is not following any commodity. Okay, you can see Dow still holding in. Gold is holding. Look at oil. Big breakdown. Wow, oil just tanked, guys. Okay, so Goldie here is making new highs. Watch and see that 1818 break. All right, this is the last 15-minute candle, and we're starting to push extremely hard on everything. All right, look at Dow getting rejected. I'm down about 25 bucks on the Dow and about 35 on gold. Okay, 0.01 lots. Feelers right before market open. If we do break down here though, guys, I'm going to be hammering a larger sell on this Dow trade. Okay, there we go. Okay, so if this Dow breaks, guys, this thing's looking pretty juicy here. Gold is still holding. Yeah, there you go, still holding that level. Watch and see this news coming in. Dow's breaking down. NASDAQ is trying to. There it goes. As soon as we break this low, guys, this thing is starting to fall. Okay, so 3 minutes, and this is going to be leading into our 10-minute time frame with news coming in at 10. All right, you can see what's happening on the Dow here. So they're not letting it break 33,000. Okay, it's basically stuck. Okay, so you can see support level starting to hold now. All right, and that was at psychological 33. Nothing broke below here. All right, so we made a nice little break. Volume pushed. Okay, double top here. Well, maybe like a triple. You can see all the wicks coming back down, retesting, and you can see now support is starting to hold. Okay, so if this thing starts to fly, then watch, we're going to tap 33.1, no problem. All right, you can see NASDAQ is following suit too. NASDAQ is trying to, it's just in that range. All right, but that thing looks like a bull flag pattern, and it's very, very choppy right now. And main thing to check is the DXY coming in. Okay, look at that DXY, guys. NASDAQ break. Look at the Dow and NASDAQ. Totally different oppositions right now. Okay. Let's see what those moving averages are. How am I a professional trader with using a 0.01 loot size? It's called a feeler size. If I showed you my Dow trades on Friday, I don't think you'd really say much. Okay, gold is still holding. Watch this inverse head and shoulder pattern. Sorry, head and shoulder pattern on gold, guys. A lot of top wicks here. It's okay. Universal Studios, no problem. I'll show you my 2.5K withdrawal after I'm done. No problem. I'll do it just for you. Okay, so 9 seconds, guys. This is going to be the last 10 minutes. So Dow's still holding, okay? So guys, same thing as NASDAQ. You can take a peek here. Hard indecision. Okay, NASDAQ is still dropping down, all right? Still in that range though. Okay, so support, you can see here we're bouncing, okay? Right at the support level, nice flag pattern. If this thing flies, guys, watch and see the NASDAQ break above here if we get rejected in this range, okay? Watch and see us take a look at that DXY for the next move. And gold is still holding strong. Okay, so we're getting a little bit of momentum support here. Okay, guys, so remember, this news is another impactful folder. So if this thing, you know, you saw what happened previous. All right, so this is what we're coming to right now, pending home sales. This is going to be critical. On Friday, we had new home sales, okay? That was positive 670,000, sorry. All right, and that blew 50K above the forecast. So just remember, it's a different folder, new home sales for pending. Oops, sorry about that. There we go. So that's our new one coming in at 10. So sit back, guys, relax. Don't be trading if you have not entered in anything yet. It might be one of those sessions where, you know, we just miss it for what it is. Everything else, guys, if you got bullish movements, you guys are laughing, okay? I'm in drawdown on 2 trades. It's less than $100 on US 30 and gold, okay? So that's about it. Other than that, just waiting for this news time to come in. Okay, so support still holding, bullish flag pattern. Everything is retracing, guys. Volume is still strong, okay? US 30 primed, NASDAQ primed. There goes the Dow, okay? So remember we talked about this, 33,100. Watch. We're coming right close to news time, okay? About 7 minutes. So dip buy here. Now watch and see what this news is going to bring. Oil he dropped. Okay, everything is printing, guys. Look at Dow here. And look at NASDAQ, same kind of idea. Look at big rejection. All right, and still printing, guys. And we got about 4 minutes until this news starting to happen. Okay, so sit back. Just if you're not trading news, guys, this is a dip buy here. Do not be entering anything. And you can see Goldie's still flying. Okay, so looking like we're going to tap the highs to about 1820. And then Dow was starting to print too. Okay, so big strong movements on every instrument here. It's looking like a bullish day. And watch that 33,100. Okay, so watch 33110 for the big bullish move here. You can see we're already breaking above structure. Okay, made a new high with the wick. All right. NASDAQ is just priming up too. So watch the big breakout coming at 12,100 on NASDAQ. And here comes the buyers, guys, for all instruments. So sit back and relax and watch the news. Everything is printing. Goldie, Dow is printing. Look at gold making new highs. Watch that 1820 tap here coming in. 1822.5 is the next large structure. Okay. Now watch and see the dollar. There it goes. Okay, we just broke here on the dollar. Watch that 104.700 tap. Okay, so big momentum shifts coming in here, 2 minutes. Let's take a look at BTC, guys. NASDAQ still pushing up. Dow still holding. Goldie making that new high. Okay. Where's BTC? Right at almost 24,000. German 30 holding. Oil. Watch for some oil retracements here, guys. You can see Goldie printing. You can see Dow still holding. NASDAQ looking bullish out of the flag. So watch 12,200 if NASDAQ wants to print. Okay, so here we go, guys. Just under a minute here. Pending home sales coming in. All right, DXY is still sinking. All right, everything there goes to Dow right at the highs. Same with NASDAQ. Printing up. 33,100 just the top. There it goes, guys. And we got 1 minute until until this news. All right. So watch and see here now. 30 seconds coming in. It's news time, ladies and gentlemen. We're right at that peak level here. If we break, this thing is flying. If we reject, this thing is going to dump off, which at this point is a little bit unlikely, but watch and see the 6 seconds. Okay, so no real news. In terms of volume, let's take a look at how this was launched. All right, so let's see this dollar index. You can see the Dow starting to hold. Nasdaq a little rejection at the similar area that it has in at 12,121. And then you can see the dollar is just testing that 104.8. Okay, and then you can see Goldie, nice rejection tapping. Okay, so broke structure here. Watch for the hold. And we're going to make our leg back up on gold. Okay. Okay, so there goes gold flying, 1819. Okay, the Dow's still holding around here. You can see still tapping 133,100. The Nasdaq is a little resistance as well. So no real news coming in. Okay, so we're flying here high, guys. The Dow's tapping 33,100. So nice bullish movement coming in. All right, so nothing closed below. We're still getting tapped, so this thing's going to probably pop off. All right, same with gold. Gold's probably going to at least 1820, 1821. There it goes. And I'm running about 120 in drawdown right now, guys. 2 sells. Just wait till I find a nice little entry point. We'll hammer a standard. We'll make that up within probably 10, 15 pips. I scared everyone for news for no reason. Okay. All right, guys. So you can see the big push coming in. All right, Nasdaq 2. And we're going to close it after 1 minute, guys, and then we're going to call the stream. Okay? Sean, I feel you, bro. I have to... agree. And here we go, 33 seconds coming in. Alrighty, guys. So you can see here we printed the market, nice bullish momentum. All right. Buying is the way to go today. You can see that the dollar just continues to sink off. Okay. So for right now, watch 104,700. Okay. And you can see we're printing both buys on the Dow and NASDAQ. Like I said, I am running in some drawdown here personally on two trades, Dow and gold. They're small enough where I can hold them. It's not a big deal. All right. But as soon as I get to another key level, I'll hammer a larger lot size, make up for the drawdown with no problem. Okay. So members, let's take a peek. Let's watch and see. 10:30 time. I'm going to Dow out of here. Dow and bow. And we will resume tomorrow, same time, same channel. Okay. I will post the trades in the free FX group, making up for this little bit of drawdown, so you guys can see what I mean by using feeler lot sizes. Okay. If you guys have no idea what feeler lot sizes are, you got to watch a little bit more of the stream. Okay. So guys, that being said, I hope everyone had a good call. We will resume same time, same channel tomorrow, and I will see you then. Okay. All right, guys, have a good one. Rock on. Hey guys, good morning, welcome to another live session with Stocksnipertrading. My name is Dave, guys, my partner is Ron. Let's get down to business here, guys.
In on US 30, sell, okay? I'm jumping in. Guys, that's a 100 pip drop. Guys, yes, we caught it. Hey, guys, 200 pips, please, secure.
Trading with a perfect broker is the key, which takes you one step ahead. At AAAFx, we have you covered. The future of Forex is zero commission. Here at AAAFx, we offer ultra low commission, which starts at 99 cents per lot. Our account's spreads start from 0.0 pips. With account leverage up to 500x, and can have a minimum deposit of $100, with an additional 100% deposit bonus, regulated by HMC Greece, compliant with ESMA, EU, regulated with FSCA, South Africa. Nothing to lose, but something to gain. Trade with the world's most liquid market provider, AAAFx, recommended by Stocksnipertrading. To get started, use the affiliate link below.
As a trader, we all look for tight or low spreads, which helps us to get in and out of the market. Using the right broker can help us try different strategies. With multiple options of brokers on the web, here at Stocksnipertrading, we have a recommended broker, that is, HankoTrade. With spreads as low as 0 pips and leverage up to 500x, HankoTrade is just one click away. With multiple account types to choose from, you also have a minimum deposit of $10. Using HankoTrade's affiliate program, refer a friend and earn up to a 40% commission on trading volume. Built by traders, for traders. HankoTrade.